Hi to all traders and welcome to another edition of Market Insights. This video has been brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at Bitcoin from the morning session today after it collapsed a little bit yesterday from a 6 to 7% drop, and this is after it found a 3-day gain before that above the 31,600 mark approximately. But then it started testing the 30,000 handle for the first time in a couple of days. But if we look on the chart, this is a 1 hour chart at the moment that I've got open for you just to see the opportunities. We're seeing quite a choppy market at the moment. We're reversing to the upside again, possibly going back up to 31,000 before the end of today's session, but we are still looking like it is slightly pressured, currently trading at the 30,000 3 to 400 area at the moment. So we saw this settle yesterday at mid-May gains, and this is after the dollar did get a little bit of an extension in yesterday's trading as well. So a few things thrown into the mix, but if we look on the 1 hour chart, I've got the Bollinger Bands open as well just to give us more of a proximity of where the price could go. Currently we're trading at the mean, and as I said, roughly about the 30,000 3 to 400 area. But as you can see here, very vast drop, as I said, just over 70% yesterday, down below 30,000, which is quite pressured. But from yesterday evening session, as we went into the rollover, we were looking at another move to the upside and to cap off this V-shaped recovery. However, as you can see here, very harsh resistance areas at the mid 31,000 range, and now we are moving back down before moving a little bit higher. So a slight consolidation is expected at the moment, and then we could start looking for these gains in the near term. Just bring it back to the daily chart at the moment. Just to give you a brief look at the overall consistency of Bitcoin at the moment. So we saw this vast downturn for the majority of 2021. We are now looking at a consolidation before this drop at the beginning of May. And as you can see, vast consolidation here, very, very significant, because it looks like we are now waiting for another price breakout and a possible move to the upside. And this could bring us back to 40,000 within the next couple of trading weeks. It's not out of the ordinary for Bitcoin to be so volatile. We've seen it in the past, it has happened, so we'll just keep an eye out for that as well. What's more interesting is that the RSI is moving higher whilst this is in a consolidation, so we could see another move to the upside for the RSI, and that could mean another push in prices, but we'll see what the outcome is in the next few trading days. As I said, Bitcoin being very volatile. I just want to look at Ethereum as well, because we were looking at another bear market for Ethereum, and as you can see here, from the moment that we got this vast drop, which was at the beginning to mid-May, we were seeing now a slight downwards channel. So the bias is looking to be on the downside at the moment. But if we look on the 4 hour chart, as I said, with the help of the Bollinger Band indicator, just remove these drawings, it's a little bit easy to see. As you can see here, again, we are touching the mean, so we are looking for some kind of breakout at the moment. There is a bit of a confluence area happening, so we'll see in the near term what that could mean. We are looking at divergences all the time on the RSI as well, so at the moment nothing to sink our teeth into. It is pretty much moving in tandem. You could just say there was a slight divergence, bullish divergence on that end, but because of this spike here, it didn't really come into too much effect. We did see a slight move to the upside, but then prices started consolidating as well. So tell us what you think on our YouTube post. This video, as always, will be posted on our blog at our YouTube channel and our blog at orbex.com. So feel free to add any comments that you wish, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So we'll see what's in store for the markets tomorrow, the big headlines as usual, and looking at technical and fundamental analysis to keep you in the loop for the best trading opportunities. So until then, bye for now.